Hey guys, and welcome to Technology. My name is Salman, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of this product that I just got for a review, which is a Tacklife T8 car jump starter. Now this product is available on Amazon for usually about $69, but currently they're running some discount which goes for about $59. So if you're interested, go ahead and I'll mention the link in the description below for this item where you can purchase it on Amazon.com. Just before starting off, I'd like to thank Tacklife for providing me this product for a review, and just a little bit of specifications before we get started. This product has an 18,000 milliamp hour battery pack inside, so you can use that to your advantage for either charging your device. It does come with USB ports, or you can use it for a car jump starter, which it is actually made for. So the car jump starter has a peak current of 800 ampere, which is good for cars, which is good for gasoline cars of about 6.5 liter engines and diesel cars with 5.5 liter engines. That is up to 5.5 liter engines, of course. Now let's go ahead without further ado and let's unbox this product, and we'll talk more about it as we unbox it. Alright guys, so once we remove the original packaging, we are greeted with this nice pouch over here, which has a nice clamshell design, and it's a hard case, which is made of really good build quality, and it has overall really good build quality. It has a good zip. It's not like something that's getting stuck halfway through, or giving you some issues while opening and closing the zip. It's made of really good quality, I would say, for the price. And you do have a nice Tacklife logo on the top, and a small lanyard for carrying it around as well, which is really neat, I would think. As we open the packaging, you do have a bunch of accessories, which I am going to show you in just a bit, and you do have a warranty card. Now this product does come with 2 years of manufacturer warranty, which is actually fabulous. So you don't have to worry about the product breaking down or something like that, and you're covered for 2 years, which is, I would say, is a really good thing. I'm sure it'll last longer, but 2 years warranty is pretty good. You do have a instruction manual, which I'm not going to read at this moment, but you can go through it if you would like. It has a lot of valuable information inside about how to use the product and all that good stuff. You do have a flap that separates the accessories with the charger itself. The charger comes in a nice plastic packaging, which I'm going to remove. Now this is a charger, and initial impressions, I would say, when I got it, I was really amazed. I was with the build quality. It really feels sturdy, and the design is also pretty good. It has a nice catchy high-tech design. They have really designed it really well. They've put some good time into it and made a nice rugged design. It does feel really well built. Nothing like it's not like it's cheaply built. The plastic is very hard. It's nice hard plastic, and I'm sure it'll last a really long time. Also, just to note, I have dropped this once, and nothing happened with the product. I did drop it from about, you can say, 1.5 feet, 2 feet, something like that, and nothing happened to the product, so I'm really happy about that. You would see a little bit of my fingerprints because I am sweating a little, and I have used the product for a bit. So looking at the product itself, you do have a compass over here, which is a nice neat feature. You may need it someday, who knows. And you do have a Tacklife logo over here. You do have a nice LCD screen, which gives you a bunch of information. Right now it'll show me my battery level and the output. So just take a closer look. 96%, and then it showed me my output watts, what it currently is giving. 5 volts. Now the output USB ports are 5 volts and 9 volts output, and they are fast charging, which is a really good thing if you have a fast charging device. You do have an input port. This is where you will charge your charge your battery pack, and then you do have an output port, which I'll show you what's it used for. And then 2 USB ports, of course. You have a nice you have an on button over here, power button, and this is the on and off button for when using the device. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to show you what this button is for. Now this button is for the LED light in front, which is a really good feature, I would say, when you're using this in the night. You want to work on your car, you cannot see something or something like that, which is, I think, a really good feature. Some people would argue this is a gimmick, but I think having a torch is not a bad thing. It's a good thing and it helps. So all you need to do is to make it work is just press and hold the power button, and the torch comes. You do have a bunch of different modes like I think the SOS mode or something like that. And yeah, this is the SOS mode, I think. Yeah, and then just press it and then it goes. Then you have a flap over here. This is where you would connect your jumper cables, which are provided into the package. And the good thing about this is like they have a shape to it. You see how it's rounded on one corner, which makes sure that you don't connect it opposite. So let me just show you the accessories that come in the box, and we'll go on from there. Alright, so I managed to get the jumper cables out first, because you know, filming with one hand and removing other things with the other is not the easiest thing in the world. Anyway, so this is the jumper cable. Obviously you have red for positive, black for negative, and I would say these are fairly well built. These are very well built actually. And you know, you have a nice minus sign over here, which, you know, in case you get confused, you don't know that. In case some people who do not know that red goes to positive and black goes to negative, they do have minus and plus on the terminals for ease of use and ease of understanding. Now the wire and the cables are very well built, and these alligator clamps are also fairly very well built. They seem sturdy, and only time will tell how long they last, but I think they will last pretty long. And this is the unit itself. Now this is the brains of the car jump starter itself. When you connect it to your battery, it's going to show you a green light. That means it's going to show you a green light over here, which means that the jump starter is ready. The car is ready to be started. If you don't get a green light, then just don't start the car. But yeah, the green light basically means that the car is ready to be started. This here is a bypass button. Basically this is only going to provide 12 volts of output power when you know, it detects a battery. Now if you want it to provide 12 volts of output power every time, you need to press and hold this button, and it's going to provide 12 volts of output power. You know, it's just going to open the relay and allow 12 volts of output power continuously through this. Now the manufacturer does recommend that you do not try to jumpstart a battery that is less than 50% of charge, that has less than 50% of charge in it. I did now for you guys that would like to see a demonstration, I don't have a car that is dead, that has a dead battery, but if I do, I will make another video on that in the future. But let me tell you this, I did try to start a motorcycle with this, which had a dead battery, and it did a good job. It did a good job. I was able to start the battery, I was able to start the bike, and everything worked as it was supposed to. Now I think my motorcycle battery was below 50%, which again I did not know at that time, because I'm a fool and I didn't read the instruction manuals. But you know, my battery pack just jumped down from it was showing 70% and just jumped down to 1%, and then, you know, it wouldn't work. But I tried starting the bike 3 times, and it started 3 times, and then my bike was just not running right, because it had its own issues. But anyways, you know, the bike started and the battery drained. So but the product did its job, and I was satisfied. I was highly satisfied with the product and how it performed. I have no complaints with that. This is a car charger which is provided with the packaging, and this is not a fast charger apparently, but the home charger that you get is a fast charger. I think I left my home charger at home. Okay, yeah, I've actually been using this product, so I think I just left the home charger at home. But yeah, you get a normal home charger. It's not like a USB cable or something like that, but and then you get a nice USB cable for charging your phone or something like that. It has a micro USB port over here. Can be used for charging your phone if your phone still has a micro USB port. And you can keep an extra USB depending on your phone's USB port type. Like if you're using USB type C, you can keep a type C cable along with it. Now that other output port that I was talking about is for this. It's a cigarette lighter, and I think this is a really neat feature. So you can actually use this to power anything that uses a cigarette lighter. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect this, and I'm going to show you in just a second I'm gonna be back and I'll connect my car air compressor to this, and I will show you how it works. Alright guys, so as promised, I've connected my car air compressor to this, and you can see it's connected over here, and then over here is my car air compressor. You can see it's turned on, and then we can, and that's it working. It's pretty loud anyways, we don't want to listen to that, do we? So that's it working. I think this is a really nice feature if you want to power something through the battery and use it. I really like this feature personally. This is one of my top features, I would say, of this product. And the one thing about this good thing about this product is that it shuts off the power to the output if it senses that there's no output going. Like, let's say you connect a USB over here and there's no phone charging or there's no device taking power from this USB, it's automatically going to shut off the system to stop the output power. And another good thing is about this thing that I talked about earlier, it has a nice shape to it, so you can never reverse the jumper cable connection over here, which is also a really nice, neat feature and safety feature. Some people, if it wasn't that way, then some people would have connected it opposite way. And you want to make sure that this is shut always, because just to prevent water from going inside and shorting something out, could maybe cause a big hassle. And that's it guys. So overall, I think my impression about this product is it is a really handy and neat product, and for the price, I think it's real value for money. For about $60 right now, for about $60 or $70 if the price increases, it is still a really good product. You can use it as a portable battery pack. If you are looking for a portable battery pack with 18,000 milliamp hours, it can be useful for that. And it is a car jump starter, so I always needed a product like this that actually could do something 2-in-1 or more than one things, and was not just one thing. So I think the fact that it has that they have given you USB ports and the cigarette lighter output is actually one of my favorite features of this product. And overall, I'm really impressed with the build quality and the overall product specifications of this product. Only time will tell how long does it last. I'll probably make another video in the future describing how it's been after a few months. But for now, for the initial impressions that I've used the product for, I think this is a great product, and I would certainly recommend anybody looking for something like this to actually buy this product. So if you guys have any questions or queries about this product, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer your queries. And please hit that like button if you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Thank you guys, and have a great day.